In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix transaction errors on Trust Wallet. Let's get started. So, before we fix it, we need to know why do you get this transactions error. Mostly you will get this transaction error because there might be an issue with your recipient. So in that case, check your recipient's address, wallet, and make sure there is no mistakes in that section. The other one is the network issues. So if there is any an issue with your network or your blockchain network, that might cause an issue. So that just you can just wait and try that to get that resolved. So these are the common reasons why you have issue. And also sometimes your account might have insufficient funds, so just keep an eye on it and see. And once you know these are the reasons, so if you try to fix these and if you're still having issues, then what you can do is you can go and click on your main wallet here and then tap on your main wallet and then try to rename your main wallet, because there might be some bugs. So try to rename and see if that works. And once that's done, you can go is what else you can try is you can exit the app here, and then what we're going to do is you're going to click on your app and then go to your app in the settings here. So go to your app settings. So once you're on your app settings here, so what we're going to do, you're going to select this storage option here on your app setting and then try to clear the cache. Tap on clear cache and then clear the cache. Okay, once you have cleared the cache, go to your Play Store and see if there is an update on the app for Trust Wallet. So just search for it, and if there is an app, just update your app, because these can remove any bugs including transaction issues. Okay, do that. And once that's done, the final troubleshooting step that you can do is try to uninstall your app and then reinstall it again and restart your device, and that should fix up the issue.